Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, we will be discussing the dashboard of your AEvent account. So when we initially log in, this is the first page that we are redirected to. So from here, as you can see from the upper right-hand side, you'll see here that it will show your status. If you're logged in, it will show this color green. And over here is your usage. So when you click on this one, you'll be able to see the number of actions that you have already consumed for your account versus the number of actions that is included in your package. Also, for the webinar hours, you'll see here the webinar hours you have already consumed versus your package, and then storage, your remaining storage, and then the number of timelines that you have already created. And as you can see here, there's a button that gives you the option to upgrade your plan. So when we move over here, you'll see here that there's a history tab. When you click on this one, you'll be able to select the start date and the end date that you can set the system to calculate your usage for. So when you do that, over here on the lower part, you'll be able to see a quick graph of your usage. And then on this one, this gives you the option to switch your view to dark mode and then back to light mode. This bell shows you the notifications for your account. And this is your photo, and this will show the name on the account. When you click on this drop down, that you'll be able to access your settings here. You can enable a event helper. You'll have access to tutorials, and of course, you can log out. And then let's move over here. This is where you'll see a quick rundown of your upcoming events. And this is also where you can schedule an event by clicking on this button. So when you click on here, you'll be redirected to the schedule event page where you can set up or schedule your events or webinars. Let's go back to the dashboard. And in this section, you'll be able to see that there's a button to view all tutorials. When you click on this one, you will be redirected to our YouTube channel. So when you click on this one, and this is our YouTube channel where you'll see all the videos that we have recorded for you. Let's go back to the dashboard. This section shows you the number of active timelines that you have on your account and also the recently added timelines. When you click on this button, it will redirect you to the timeline section. This section here shows you the total number of integrations that you have on the account. Also shows you the alerts or warnings for those integrations and the recently added integrations. When you click on this button, you will be redirected to the integration section. On the lower part, this is where you'll see your scheduled events. So as you can see, I currently don't have any scheduled events, but if I do, this is where they will be listed down. So for the upcoming, this will show you the list of your upcoming events. The Evergreen tab will show you the list of evergreen schedules that you have created for your account. And of course, the Past tab will show you the past events or webinars that you've had for your account. And over here, this gives you the option to download CSV. That's actually referring to the analytics report or attendance report. You also have the option to filter by timeline. So you can select the timeline and it will show you if you had any upcoming evergreen or past schedules for that timeline. It also gives you the option to sort according to your preference. So you can enable ascending or descending, and then you can sort by date, time, application, and the number of registrants. Of course, we also give you the option to filter. You can filter either by different platforms, either GoToWebinar, Ovio, or AStream. I don't have any Zoom account schedules or Zoom timelines created. That's why it's not showing up here. And this part here gives you the option to either list down or show them by tile. And let's move over to the Analytics tab. This is where you can select the event timeline, the start date, and end date that you want to calculate for the Analytics report. It also shows you the option to download the chat messages for that specific Analytics report, download it, download the summary, and download the custom fields. And over here on the right is where you'll see the audience breakdown. You have the option to select either yearly, monthly, weekly, and daily. So when you select that, it will show you the number of attendees and it will show you here are what you'll see on the graph. So you'll have the visitors, the registrants, and the attendees. You'll see here the number of visitors that you've had on your registration page that is integrated to AEvent. It will show you the number of registrants, attendees, and non-attendees. So that would be all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. And if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave us a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified of our future uploads. Thank you for watching.